If you're looking to customize your Livestorm webinar branding and make your session stand out, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through everything you need to know to personalize your webinars in Livestorm, from changing the colors to adding your logo and more. By the end, you'll be ready to create a polished, branded experience that reflects your company's unique identity. Livestorm gives you a powerful suite of tools for webinar customization, starting with the basics like uploading your company logo and selecting a custom color scheme. When you create a webinar, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Customization tab. Here, you'll find all the essential tools for modifying the look and feel of your event. One of the easiest ways to brand your webinar is by uploading your logo. Just go to the Branding section and select Upload Logo. This allows you to feature your company's logo front and center, making sure attendees know who's hosting the event right away. You can also set your logo's position, ensuring it looks good in both the pre-webinar lobby and the live session itself. Next, let's talk colors. Livestorm makes it simple to tweak the color scheme of your webinar room to match your brand's aesthetic. You can adjust the header colors, button colors, and more. In the customization section, just select the colors option and choose your primary and secondary colors to match your branding. Customizing colors helps create a cohesive feel throughout the webinar, aligning your event with your business's visual identity. For even more customization, Livestorm lets you add a custom background. Upload a branded image or video background for the webinar room. This feature is excellent for creating an immersive, professional look, especially for corporate webinars or events that require a polished, branded atmosphere. Livestorm also allows for branding in your email notifications. You can customize the event confirmation and reminder emails with your logo, color scheme, and tailored messages. This ensures that your branding is consistent throughout the entire attendee experience, from registration to the webinar itself. Now let's talk about creating a custom registration page. When you set up your webinar, Livestorm lets you personalize the registration page to fit your branding perfectly. You can include your logo, select colors, and write a custom message that matches the tone of your business. This ensures the attendee experience is seamless right from the sign-up process. Want to go the extra mile? You can even set up custom domains for your webinars. This gives you complete control over the URL your attendees will use to access the event, making it look even more professional. If you're serious about your brand, this feature is worth considering. And here's a pro tip. Livestorm's integration with marketing tools lets you sync your customized branding with your email campaigns. This allows you to automatically trigger branded emails based on user actions, perfect for nurturing leads and keeping your branding consistent across multiple touchpoints. Throughout this video, I've shown you how to take full advantage of Livestorm's powerful webinar customization features. And the best part is that you can try it all for free. Just click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive extended free trial of Livestorm, so you can start customizing your webinars today. By customizing your Livestorm webinar branding, you're not just creating an event, you're creating a memorable experience for your attendees, building trust, and strengthening your brand. Make sure to check out the extended free trial in the link below and start customizing your webinars today.